AI Studio is a very powerful tool by Gemini. So Google itself is providing this AI Studio free of cost for every one of us. We can do a lot of things in this, like video generation can be done, streaming of our services, like you can share your screen, and at any point, if you are facing any issue, you can just talk about it, and it would Gemini would come and help you on that screen. So no matter which platform you are using, even if you are using Adobe Premiere Pro, or you are using a Salesforce platform, or you are using a AWS platform, at that particular time when you face a certain issue, like how to create a lambda function, and you want to understand that which type of lambda function I can create, and I'm facing certain issues, like I want to create a public URL in that lambda function, how can I achieve that? So you can just ask chat Gemini directly on that screen, and Gemini would guide you on that screen itself. So it's like a guiding tool which is watching whatever you are doing, and it would help you over there. You can even create some beautiful commercials directly from here. So I have basically placed a image of GDG Cloud Udaipur bottle, and I just wanted it to create a commercial out of it. So it has started creating a beautiful commercial for me. And now I can write more and more details into this particular thing, and it would create some beautiful commercial videos out of this. And all this is happening just from a single image and a beautiful prompt. So with that, you can create anything over here, and you can have your own branding things, or you can write your own names. You can create your own commercials out of this particular thing. So now moving on to the AI Studio part. AI Studio is one of the most powerful platform. It's not like Claude, it's not like ChatGPT. It's much more powerful than that. You can set temperatures in this, like how creative you want this AI model to be. The creativity will be less over here and more over here. So when you want it to be more creative, you can get a creativity of 2. And normally at standard, we used to set it on 0.9 or 1, so that it is balancing between non-creative and creative. So this is where your structured response lies in. So your output, you might have seen various times that your output is always different whenever you ask to Gemini. It's because of the temperature. Like temperature allows it to be more creative every time. If it set it to very low, it would basically keep on generating same type of output. Not exactly same, but almost the near about. So that's because of the temperature. Here we even see token counts, like how much tokens we can consume in this. Like 10 lakh 48,000 is the token limit. This is a very huge limit. None of the other models provide us such kind of limits. You can provide structured outputs, like if you want the output to be in a very structured format, it should have tables, it should have bullet points and all those things. You can have structured output over here. You can have code execution. So Gemini can even call APIs, like Abhay in his demo, he showcased that we can call various APIs in Vertex AI platform. Similarly, here you can introduce your own APIs, and the code execution would call those APIs, and the output responses would be embedded in your response. So the function calling features and everything can be done. And then there's a grounding with Google search. Grounding with Google search allows you to ground your data. So even if the latest news is there, like latest news on stock market of any stock like Reliance, and you want to provide all that data also to the Gemini, because Gemini, when it was trained to a particular year or particular month. So let's just assume that it was trained till December 2024. It won't have more data than December 2024, because the latest news was never trained on Gemini. So for that, we can use grounding techniques. Grounding allows us basically to capture real world data and provide that data itself to Google search, to Google Gemini. So when we provide the real world data to Google Gemini, it would provide us accurate details, like real world details or real time details. So the real time details, whatever we need, we can get using Google search. So this is the grounding technique we can do. I've already explained the streaming part. So streaming part, I can showcase right now, because I'm already sharing one screen, so double sharing is not allowed directly. But what it would allow is basically you can share your screen and you can ask Gemini, like, I'm facing issue in this particular page. Can you help me out? And it would help you out at every step. You can have the video generation, which I've already showcased. So now moving on to the actual part of this particular session, that is the vibe coding. So vibe coding, uh,